All right, good afternoon. It is Wednesday, March 21st, 2018, about 3 o'clock Central Time. This video is being shot for Calden in Las Vegas, Sin City. Hey, this is Scott. I've got Chris in the truck here. We are going to walk around the truck and show you everything cosmetically. Try to really get in depth and let you see the condition of the bed and everything. Chris said you were concerned with the logos being able to go on the side and the condition of the bed. And then also I'll step back, we'll start the truck up and we'll operate the boom and the outriggers and the bed and the whole bit and let you see it kind of in action. I'll also show you the interior, and I'll even lift up the hood here at the end and let you see the engine. So look over the video and let us know if you need anything. But first of all, I'll walk around the truck, let you see everything. You see that it's not a rust bucket. You know, it had, when we first got it, it had some little surface rust here and there, but it doesn't have any of that, you know, real bad northern leprosy kind of rust. It was just, you know, from bare metal kind of deal. Let you see everything on the truck. All right, the doors are nice and smooth. Truck has been painted, but as far as being able to put logos on it, try to skylight the bed there a little bit so you can see that there's no significant dents or anything in the bed. It's in very good shape. It does have a pencil hitch on the back for a chipper or for a heavy duty trailer. There are some dents on that tailgate there, as you can see. You'd expect that. Most people don't put too much in logos on the back anyway, though. And then this side of the bed's in good shape too. Like I said, we will go ahead and start the truck up and let you listen to the motor run. Nice and smooth, no smoke, no odd noises or anything. Bit for you. All right, now we'll engage the PTO and put the outriggers down and operate the boom. I'll step back and we can see all that on video. Nice smooth fluid rotation. That's one of the functions on a bucket truck that is quite expensive if it has any sort of failure. The up and down of both booms is really not a big deal on an all hydraulic truck. You know, you can have hydraulic leaks and hoses and things, but typically that's not a big deal. It's the rotational bearing and the rotational motor that is extremely pricey, and this one is nice and fluid, doesn't bind, and it's quiet. Okay, now he's going to dump the bed. All right, I'll show you the interior while he's buttoning everything up. Door panel. Truck is running right now, no warning lights of any kind. Never had any. Nice clean truck, especially for the age. You see everything, including the miles there.
It's on the seat condition.
No warning lights. And once again, the seat is in extremely good condition all the way end to end. Both door panels are intact. That's another thing that's pretty commonly worn on these trucks. And hey, Chris, can you pop the hood? Engine is running right now. Very quiet. No shake. No leaks. Look over the video, let us know what you think. Tires are in good shape as well, all the way around. Pony motor's in good shape. Pony motor's in good shape, runs good. Just look over the video and let us know if you have any questions. This is Scott and Chris at North Texas Equipment, and give us a call. Thanks.